in your life.
Singombwa ngo abantu bese bamenye kutwite ubiposte kuri Instagram cyangwa guki. Uriya mwana deja utangiye kumuteza intambara akiri munda.
It's not necessary for you to post that you're pregnant. You are already exposing your unborn child to those people.
Ikindi mbabwira gikomeye mutazi.
Another thing you don't know.
Mutazi ariko cyabaye develope n'abasataniste.
But it was developed by Satanists.
Mwe muragikora abahungu.
And men do it, young men.
Guterera umukobwa ivi ngo akwambika impeta, umwambika impeta.
Kneeling down.
Ibiriya muba mukoze ububaye anda y'imbaraga zindi. Niyo mpamvu mubona amagwa atakicuba kubu.
When you
tugaterera umukobwa ivi na gato.
When you kneel down asking a young woman to marry you, you are actually kneeling to a power and principality that you do not know.
Bibiri iravuga ngo muzapfukamira Imana yonyine.
The Bible says you will kneel down for God only.
Iriya ni culture yazanywe n'abakorera Satani.
That is a culture that was brought by Satanists.
Imara ko yemerwa n'abakristo n'abana b'Imana. Ntuzabikore ngo uterere umukobwa ivi. Yohana yagiye guterera marayika ivi, marayika ngo no ngo ndimbata mugenzi wawe ngo n'Imana yonyine ipfukamirwa.
And this is a culture that even believers have embraced. But in the Bible tells us that even John, when he went to kneel down before an angel, the angel said that I am a servant like you. You will only kneel down for God. Young women.
Umuhungu naje guterera ivi menya kusenye.
When a man
uzahita umubwira ati no winterera ivi sindi Imana. Uzabyange.
When a young man wants to kneel down before you, refuse and tell them, I am not God. Please do not kneel before me. First of all, that's not part of our Rwandan culture. Where did you get it from? You will look for birds and catch owls. Please, I beg you, do not imitate what you see Americans do, or what Europeans do. How many are married in the US?
Bose n'abadivorce kubera ibyo byo gutera ivi kuko si Imana iyoboye ugo rugo ruyobowe n'ikidayimoni cy'uwo bapfukamiye.
Because it is not God leading those marriages, but the demon, the principality that leads those marriages. Most of them end in divorce.
Abandi ni babikora mubareke ariko mwebwe bana bo muri Zion ntimuzabikora.
If others do it, let them do it. But you members of this church do not accept this. And if you have a friend, discourage them from doing it. Because you're helping them. Satan told Jesus to kneel down. And Jesus said only God should be knelt down for. You see soldiers? Do you know how they honor each other? When they honor others, what do they do? Do they kneel? If a soldier will salute a leader, why do you kneel if they will not kneel? Soldiers are the most honorable than horses. They should kneel before their leaders. But they stand in the right position and then salute. Where dyour get the spirit of kneeling down? Your mothers and fathers never knelt. Your fathers never knelt and they are still married, but you are kneeling down and you are not married. Let's not talk about spiritual things. Let's talk about physical things, physicalities. Help me understand. How does she look? Is she in gold for you to kneel down before her?
ariko abakobwa bana
Girls,
ngo ndagupfukamiye
that I kneel down for you.
uretse n'iby'Imana
Even besides spiritual principles,
aya
I
sinagupfukamira
cannot kneel down.
nubwo bambwira ngo niwe usigaye ku isi nakubwira ati nanjye ndasigara ku isi twembi tuyisigare.
Even if they told me that you are the only woman left on this earth, I will tell you I'll be the only man